Hey fellow YouTubers, diecast collectors, how you doing? JC here. Just wanted to show you another wheel swap I did, and this is with the black walls, and that is the end result. So that's the Chevy, and looks pretty good. So there you go. Got it all put together. Like it. What do you think? And here's another one with the original wheels that it had. So I'm probably going to search those too. So that's what it came out to be. So leave your comments. Tell me if you like those or you like these right here. I prefer actually the black walls. So leave your comments, like I said, tell me what you think, and I'll see you. Thanks.